All right, here we go. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to the day after our Valentine's coverage. How was that? Did you have a good time? Yeah, Valentine's was really fun, wasn't it? So much reading and writing and so many speeches and presentations. Valentine's week was, again, a very, very successful week for student progress. So way to go to Mariko, Itomi, Hugo. That was just a really, really exciting week. But from today, from Wednesday, February 15th, we are into science. So how do you combine Valentine's with science? Well, we started off a little bit with let's see if our good friend Toma knows. Toma, what starts with FL, Toma? FL. Right, on our card, we wrote I love you and happy Valentine's Day. And then we drew a picture of an FL. What is FL? Flower, that's right. What color was it? What two colors were the flower?
White and red.
White and red. What color was the stem?
Green.
Green, good boy. That's Toma. Awesome. That's right. So a little bit about the flower, a little bit about the petals of the flower, so light. A little bit about the stem of the flower, so heavy. But most importantly, let's play with water as part of Science Week. Let's go. Here's worksheet number 1. It talks about floats, floating. I used a cloud to help you understand. Floating, it's as light as a cloud or as heavy as a rock. Sink, float and sink. Make sure all the chairs are straight if you can, okay, Toma? Like straight inside. And then here there's float and sink. One more time. Float and sink. We're going to have a lot of fun with this one, you guys. A lot. Here we go. This is number 4. Flower petals. So flower petals float. They float. One more time. Light things float, okay? Heavy things sink. Heavy things. Heavy things sink. Light things float. Heavy things sink. Time for experimenting. Teachers, let's bring out objects in HKS and a cup of water and let's figure out what floats and sinks. I can try it. That's right. We're little scientists here today, everybody. From today. Paper, as an example. Paper floats because it is what? I am light. I am heavy. Draw your pictures here too, you guys. Pictures. Paper floats because it is light. I know why flower petals float. Flower petals float because they are what? I broke up the words here for you so you can write that out clearly, okay? Now we get into a little bit of density, you guys. Density. How heavy it is compared to its size. Objects sink because they are more dense than water. So, this is a small rock, but very dense. It is heavy, so I think it will. And then this is a flower. It is not dense, so I think it will what? Here, quickly, flower petals float because they are less dense than water. Rocks sink because what? Because they are more dense than water. I understand. Things that are less dense than water float. Things that are more dense than water sink. Ice cubes, what do? Ice cubes sink or ice cubes float. Stems of flowers float or sink. Lego sinks or floats. And last one, a really cool chart actually. Ethanol, alcohol, olive oil, water, very low density. Liquid soap, milk, sugar, syrup, and honey, high density. Low density means that things are going to sink easier. High density means that they're going to float easier. Okay? So, we're really getting into the fact of learning about density. That's good, Toma, that's good. Learning about density. And things that are more dense than the object they need to float on, things that are more dense are going to sink. Things that are less dense are going to float. And our liquid this week is water. But we're going to be getting into some other liquids as well, so get ready for that. Okay, bye guys, bye. See you later, bye.